This is Kevin Geltmaker from Floyd's Knobs, Indiana. I own this 1980 Kenworth K-100C Aerodyne. It's got a V8 Caterpillar engine in it, 13-speed transmission, 411 Eaton rears. Restored it in 2017 for the 2018 ETHS convention in Lexington, Kentucky. That was its first show. Since then, we've showed several shows, one including the Mid-America Truck Show in 2019 and the PKY. We enjoy going to truck shows with it. We have another truck that we show that's my dad's, a 79 Kenworth with a V8 Cat in it, and an 86 GMC General with an 8V92 in it. Stay pretty busy polishing and trying to make these things look sharp.
Are you a truck driver by trade?
I'm actually a heavy equipment operator with Local 181 with the operating engineers.
And why a K-100?
Well, my dad got his in 1998, and I wanted something kind of to match him. So we've almost got a match pair.
And the colors are pretty cool on this truck.
That's correct. No, those are the factory Kenworth colors. It's been painted once, and that's like the light rose colors, a light firethorn color, like dark maroon. So yeah, it's been painted once since the factory, but those are the original colors.
Well, yeah. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Everyone loves looking at it.
Thank you. Thank you so
Kevin.
much.